Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, see you again at the Panduan Office 25. In this video, we will recognize 7 Microsoft Word shortcuts that are very important when editing documents. What are the 7 shortcuts? Don't go anywhere. Watch this video until the end. Don't get skipped so that nothing is missed. The first shortcut is Ctrl G. Ctrl G is a shortcut that will make it easier for you to search for a certain page quickly. The steps for its use are as follows. Press Ctrl G. In the pop-up that appears, type in the Enter Page Number column the page we want to open. Finally, press the Next button. Then we will automatically be directed to the document page we typed earlier. The shortcut after is Ctrl F. Ctrl F is a shortcut that will make it easier for you to search for certain words or sentences quickly. The steps for its use are as follows. Press Ctrl F. In the window that appears, type in the search field the word or sentence we want to find. Then the word in the document will be highlighted automatically. The shortcut after is Ctrl H. Ctrl H is a shortcut that will make it easier for you to replace certain words or sentences fast. The steps for its use are as follows. Press Ctrl H. In the pop-up that appears, type in the Find Word column the word or sentence you want to replace. In the Replace With column, type a replacement word or sentence. Finally, press the Replace button. Then, the word will be replaced automatically. If we want to replace all words or sentences in the document, press the Replace All button. The shortcut after is Ctrl N. Ctrl N is a shortcut that will make it easier for you to create a new document quickly. The steps for its use are as follows. Press Ctrl N. Then a new document will appear automatically. The shortcut after is Ctrl O. Ctrl O is a shortcut that will make it easier for you to open saved document quickly. The steps for its use are as follows. Press Ctrl O. On the page that appears, left-click once the name of the document file you want to open. The shortcut after is Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q is a shortcut that will make it easier to remove all paragraph formatting in a word or sentence you choose. The steps for its use are as follows. Select a word or sentence that you want to remove the paragraph format. Then press Ctrl Q. Then the paragraph format contained in the sentence we choose will disappear. And the last shortcut is Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is a shortcut that will make it easier to undo what you just did to the document. The steps for its use are as follows. Suppose you made a mistake in deleting a sentence in the document and you want to cancel it. Press Ctrl Z. Then the sentence that you have deleted will return automatically. Thank God, all material recognize 7 Microsoft Word shortcuts that are very important when editing documents we have finished discussing. If something is still unclear, please ask in the comment column. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Follow our other guide too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.